Now I'm going to teach you how to get Palmpay account number. Now, you want to get a Palmpay account number, you can choose on the front home page here. We have on the services, pay me. As you can see, it's not on the front page. You have to scroll to the second page. Yes, pay me. I choose pay me. Now, this is my normal Palmpay account number. You can see it's 166124879. Now I can decide to copy the number and share it. But if for one reason or another I don't want to use my own Palmpay number, which is my phone number, I can just choose pay me number instead. So go to pay me number. As you can see, the account number has changed. It's no longer my phone number. So I can copy it and then share to whoever I want through whatever platform I want. Or I can decide to download it into my internal storage, save it, and then send it to the person. So this is how to get Palmpay account number through the pay me option.